Hello everyone, my name is André Lahey. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Espacenet with the keyboard without a single mouse click. There are standard keys to navigate a website, access the different interface elements, and perform specific actions. Espacenet uses these standard keys, and I will show you this now. The Tab key allows you to move to the next element. For example, once Espacenet is open, press the Tab key as many times as needed to have your focus on the Smart Search bar. There, you can type in your search query in Smart Search mode. You will notice that the elements accessed via the keyboard navigation are identified by a focus ring. In Chrome, you see a light blue colored border around elements on which the focus is. If you use Shift plus Tab, you will go back to the previous elements. The Enter key can be used to activate the search, to activate an option or a link. For example, to run the search once you have entered your keywords in Smart Search. When your focus is on a drop-down arrow or a three-dot symbol, like here, the Enter key allows you to open a drop-down menu. You can use the down and up arrow keys to navigate in the result list once you have run a search. First, use your down arrow key to focus on the first result. Continue with the down and up arrow keys to go down or up the result list. With the down and up arrow keys, you can also move through menu items. For example, if your focus is on the search criterion, all text fields or names in the advanced search, and you have pressed Enter to open the drop-down menu, the down and up arrows will allow you to navigate in the drop-down menu. Then press Enter again when you are on text fields. And use the down arrow again to navigate in the sub-level menu. Once your focus is on a wished option, for example, claims, press Enter to activate your choice. Another way to go to an item in the drop-down menu is to type in the first letter of the item. Go now to search with the Tab key. Now you can press Enter to run the search. With the right and left arrow keys, you can go from one drawing to another on the bibliographic data, description, or claim views. Also from one page to the next and back in the original document view. The page down key will move a scroll bar down, and the page up key the scroll bar up. For example, once your focus is on the description, just use these keys to navigate easily in the text. The Escape key will close a pop-up. For example, if your focus is on the Smart Search editor, press the Escape key to close it. Last but not least, you can use numeric keys to go to the various document views, 1 for the bibliographic data, 2 for description, 3 for claims, 4 for the drawings, etc. Here is a summary of all keys which you can use in Espacenet. You can also find more information about keyboard accessibility at this link. Well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and have a great day.